Do you know what you need more of in your life? Geology. Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and I wanted to give you kind of the story of some of the summer classes I'm offering this year. COVID-19 in 2020 was a rough year for everyone. And last year I lost most of my teaching and outreach type jobs that I had acquired that were in person. So last year I had to take all of my teaching and outreach online. And I did. And had put together 16 courses to teach this summer that were on all sorts of science topics, from geology to physics to chemistry. But then we fixed the COVID-19 problem, and there has been pretty much no demand for everything I put together. We were able to get high enough enrollment for one geology class, Rocks Rock Crystal Edition. I'll share with you their lab kit. What you'll get in your lab kit is a paper towel, a bag containing a break your own geode, a bunch of popsicle sticks, coffee stirrers, and skewers, pipe cleaners, and a string. These will all be used in your crystal growing experiment, well, except for the break your own geode. You'll get a rock collection. This rock collection will contain an agate that might be taped to the top of your container, or it might be fitting into the slot that it's supposed to fit into. All of the rock collections that we'll be using in this class have the same order of rocks, so it starts out with a quartzite, granite, basalt, some glass, a fossil, pumice, mica, sandstone, quartz, amethyst, a little piece of red agate and a larger flat piece of agate, and finally calcite, fluorite, and halite. You'll have a magnifying glass, and finally you'll have 4 jars containing sugar, Epsom salt, table salt, and baking soda. Rocks Rock Crystal Edition should be a fun class, and there's still room and a few extra lab kits, so if anybody does want to take an online geology class from anywhere in the world to learn about Alaskan geology, go ahead and sign up. Also, I was able to shift 2 of my online classes, outer space physics and living chemistry, into in-person science camps that we will be teaching up at Fairbanks. So if you live in the Fairbanks area and are looking for something to do during the last week of July, hey, we've got room to do chemistry and physics. So there's still lots of fun stuff to do with UAF SMART Academy. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.